Hi everyone, and welcome again to Shift Work Calendar, and this is very important template. So we are to customize this template for a new case. What if I want to make a work calendar for 14 day on working and 14 day off working? So go to shift pattern sheet and change it. So the first shift will be work shift, and its code will be W, and its time shift will be all the day. And the second shift, this work shift, will be free shift next 14 days, so will be free shift, and its code will be F and all day. So it will be free all day and 14 days free for day and 14 days work all day. And its start from here, change the month. I would like to change it to March. Let's make the pattern start day March, so write 3, and the day of 7th of March, so select the day here 7. So write shift, and the shift will be 14W, and write 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and repeat the 7 again, and write 14F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and repeat the 7 again to be 14, like that. So this is our pattern here: 14 work shift and 14 free shift. And let's check this by clicking Shift Work Calendar. And here is our customized template. The customized template start in 7th of March as start date, and its pattern will be 14 work all day as a work shift, and after that, and here 14 free all day, and so on. And this pattern will be repeated according to the selected year 2025. Also, if you change the year, you will find the pattern over the changed year. If you go to 2030 or go back to 2020 or 2016. Also the second template in this lecture will be Shift Work Calendar, and the different is here we have 3 jobs: job 1, job 2, job 3, and we have 3 shifts, and you can check this pattern from job and shifts. So I want to allocate these 3 shifts based on these 3 jobs. So there is a matrix, and each matrix consists of 3 jobs and 3 shifts. You just edit this template by entering the day, the shift name, and the code and the time of shift for every shift. After that, you select the day off if there is a day off, and after that select the pattern start date from here for each job. After that, select the shift pattern for each job from here, from this shift pattern. Also, you can write the time shift for each shift from here, from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and so on. So by customizing this sheet, you can allocate this job and these shifts to a specific calendar. So, and this is the result in the Shift Work Calendar here. You will find for example, for 25, you will find these 3 jobs allocated for every month of the selected year, and you will find that the first shift is in yellow and the second shift is in blue and the third shift is in magenta. And you will find the first shift, after that there are 2 days off, after that there is the second shift, after that there is 2 days off, after that you will find the second shift, and so on over the selected month, and you will find this pattern repeated over the selected year. Okay, if you have any question, please contact us. I hope to practice and use this sheet. This sheet will be attached in the video. Thank you and see you in the next template.